guys, so in today's video we are going to draw the sheet metal component. So let's get started. Okay, so as you see it is like 100 by 50 by 60 mm. So we will start part model. We will keep our unit system as a mmgs. Then after that I'll choose the front plane. After that let's make a rectangle, hide the planes. After that I'll draw one vertical line and one horizontal line. After that I'll make it as a construction geometry. After that let's symmetric them. So it is our like 100 mm and this one is 60 mm. Okay, so for now go in sheet metal surfaces, select the base flange, and after that we will take as a 5 mm of thickness. Okay, so 5 mm of thickness is our base flange is ready, like this rectangular portion is ready. After that we will draw this one and this one, this edge flange. So go for the edge flange. After that choose this one. So here if you see the number of options are over here, see the flange position. If you seeing over here, right now my flange position is the first option. If you change this one, like it will change its flange position, and by changing the flange position the distance will get vary over here. It is like 50 mm and I'll choose OK. So the most important part is over here, this bend radius. See, this bend radius is 5 mm and it is over here. If you edited this one, this first option, sheet metal, right click and edit it. See here you are going to see the radius. So whatever your sheet metal thickness, the same will be the radius. Okay, so now we will draw another edge flange of 60 mm. So why 60? Because it's, see over here radius is 30 mm. Okay, so our like basic structure is ready. So we will finish this part first. So we will draw the slot over here, sketch. After that I'll choose this one, slot. See, from here it is like 30 mm from this edge side, its center is over here. So I'll make it from this side, it's 30 mm. See, don't consider this one, this is like overlapping this one. This edge is of this flange and this edge is of this flange, so don't get confused. Okay, so from it's 10 mm, it is 10 mm and our like slot is get ready. So let's extrude. Okay, I'll just make it as a 50 mm. Go to features, extrude cut, and yes, up to the next. Okay, so after that I'm gonna draw these holes. So what I'll do, I'll make a sketch of 4 holes, 1 2 3 4, and this is at a distance of 30 mm and from center it is at 20 mm. So I'll unhide this and I'll unhide this sketch and then hide these planes. Okay, so it is at a distance of 20 and from here it is also at a distance of 20, and this is of 30 mm from this side, 30 mm. So let's make all hole, give the relations the remaining hole and make the sketch fully defined. It's vertical, this one is horizontal, this one is horizontal to this one, and this one is vertical to this one. So the distance between two holes is the 20. So like we will give the distance of 20 mm. After that we will go to the hole command and we just select this one. Okay, drill size. So the drill size is 6.3. drill, ISO drill size. Here is a 6.3. In positioning we will choose these holes. Okay, in position we'll choose this. We will select these points one by one. Okay, and end condition is up to the next, up to next, so it will become true all. Okay, so our work is done. Let's hide these sketches. Okay, okay, so this part is finished now. Now we will go to this section, this radius 30. Radius 30 means diameter 60 mm. Make it vertical, and this is of like 8 mm depth from this top face. So select this face, make it as a 8 mm. After that extrude cut. Okay, now unhide the planes, select this horizontal one, go to the pattern, mirror, features to mirror, this one, select, see the preview, full preview. Okay. So this one is also done. Control 7 for the isometric view, unhide the planes. After that we will gonna draw this slot over here. Similarly sketch, take slot, and it is of 15 mm of length and 10 mm diameter. So this is 10 mm and its length is 15. Okay, for now it is 100 and this is I guess 25. So the slot is at its center. So from here to here it should be 25. Okay, we'll extrude cut, we'll cut it, and after that we want the same thing on this right side. So we will again unhide the planes, we will select these planes, the right plane, again mirror, features to mirror, we'll select this feature and then hit the OK button. So the same feature will get mirrored to this side. So now we are going to draw these sections. First of all, we didn't save our part, so let's save it. Save it on desktop. Okay, so this thing is done, this thing is also done. The remaining one is this one, this portion. Okay, so as it is 30 mm, see this one is length is 60 mm, so let's fillet. I'll choose this one, third one. So like it, just select the three faces and it will automatically create the fillet. Okay, see it is of radius 30. So now just go like this. We'll make a hole of diameter 20 mm at the center. Okay, so there is no need to go in the sketch, we will go in the like part environment. After hit the hole wizard, holes, diameter of 20, drill size right now it is 6.3, go again down and it is 20, yeah, diameter of 20. Go to positions, hit on this face, go over here and just place it over here at its center. See, diameter 20, hole created. After that we want to the four holes are over there of diameter 5.6 or equally spaced on diameter of 40, means PCD, their PCD is 40. So again we do a sketch on this face, select the circle, its center, draw a circle of diameter 40 mm. Okay, so diameter 40 mm is created. Make it as a construction geometry. Now draw one vertical and one horizontal line. Okay, I guess no need of vertical line, just keep the horizontal line and again draw one line from the center to the 40 mm diameter and make it as a 45. Okay, after that make it as a construction line, exit. See, the sketch is not visible. Okay, hide the planes, go to hole command. Now the diameter is 5.6. Select the 5.6, go to positions, and on the position hit on this intersecting point. After that, okay, so one hole is created. Again we want a circular pattern over here, so go to circular pattern. The direction, for the direction choose this circle over here, and features to pattern is this one. And see, the equal spacing selected 360 degree, and number of holes are 4, so it is equally spaced 4 holes in a 360 degree. If you want to like 8, again the 8 holes are gonna equally spaced within a 360 degree, so we need 4 holes. So 4 holes at 45, like the distance, the angular distance is like 90 degree. After that just hide this one. So we created our part in sheet metal. Okay, so let's check its flat pattern. So go to the sheet metal and hit the flat pattern. So this will be the flat pattern of our the sheet metal part, and again hit on the flat pattern, like it will go in a bended view. So if you want to create its DXF, so go for the flat pattern. After that make it as a parallel, like normal to the surface, like go to the save as. After that go to the DXF file, DXF, yeah, and after that go to desktop and just save it. After that hit on OK. It is like creating. See, this is the DXF file, so just save it. Yeah, the DXF file is saved. Why it is in this? Okay, we got a new color over here, no worries. So let's check our DXF file. So this is our DXF file. Open it. It will get open in e-drawing. Why it is not opening? Yeah, so here it is our the DXF file that we required to like laser cut our part. So that's it for today, guys. If you like the video, please do comment, and please subscribe to my channel. And if you want some improvement in me, so I'll bring new videos like this. So stay with me, guys. Okay, thank you so much, guys.